I am Ogampolo Iguma Jonah, and I'm from Edo State, from Igwe Hiosevaro to be precise, here in Edo State, Edo South.
And my name is Ambassador Christopher Mobon Bright. I'm from Edo State here, from Igwe to be precise.
All right, so my name is Esther. I'm from Delta State.
My name is Exo. I'm from Bayelsa State.
Hello, everyone here. I'm so excited to be here. My name is Henrietta Amedu. I am from Iyamo Zare Isako, Edo State.
My name is Amfumoru.
And where are you from?
I'm from Edo State.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jay Soft, and I'm here live at Edo Carnival 2025. I'm feeling so excited. I'm feeling so happy. I'm so glad to be here. This is my first time in Benin City for Edo Carnival, and it feels so great already. This is the day one, and I'm already having these positive vibes that everything is going to be fine.
Well, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good because this speaks of the Edo culture. All right, it speaks of the Benin culture. It's a carnival program, and having this view, having this going on, this is the first of its kind, though, and I'm indeed happy that it's happening now, and we hope for other series to come up.
I feel so excited to be here today. This carnival really means a lot to me. This carnival really means a lot to me, so I'm so happy to be here.
And this is our cultural event organized by our own state governor, Senator Mondo Pueblo. I can see everybody's happy that we are all here to celebrate culture. This Xmas season as well. The festival is ongoing, and we thank God for the gift of life. I'm very happy about today's event. Today is the first day we're having Edo Carnival. First of its kind. It has never been like this before. And we are grateful for this state governor that have initiated this idea right here at Carrick Memorial High School, directly opposite to the University campus at Kenwa Road.
How are you feeling about the Edo State Carnival?
I feel so excited. It is a great time to be in this place, in this time, enjoying such an event. I'm feeling excited. I'm happy.
How are you feeling?
Actually, I'm feeling excited too. This is a new experience, though.
Well, it gives this feeling of being home. Let me put it that way. All right, it's a kind of future meeting with ancestors. All right, so the feeling is a good one. It's what we want to see often. It's what we want to see often. I feel blessed witnessing this today.
Helps preserve our culture by bringing different ethnic groups.
Yes, I actually think that this event will help bring back our culture. The people with that culture is a dead people. Just like you not knowing your history, where you're coming from. So I'm very happy, I'm excited about this whole program, and I'm happy we are here to celebrate our culture.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because as you can see a different culture here represented, different cultural troops, and all that. So it's a blessing. There are some of our kids that don't know their roots. There are some of our kids that don't know their roots, but when they are here today, you tell them, this is the Ugbaboneiri. I believe you should know what that means. The Ugbaboneiri dance, the cultural troops, displaying their things. So it's a thing to behold. It reminds me of the Akenswa Cultural Center, because there are programs we do there, every year. So it's a good feeling.
Yeah, I think events like this should be repeated yearly because it's fun, it's creative, it's excited, and so many fun is yet to be unfolded. Oh, my favorite part to this carnival today is the cultural dancers, the masquerade dancers from Fuga especially.
Okay, one of my favorite things to see right here is the cultural display from different groups. I can see the ASAM people were represented, I can see the Nigerian Army. It just shows that Edo State is an accommodating place for everyone to come and strive.
Well, young people still value culture. They still value culture because if they don't value culture, I don't think young people will be here today performing. If there is anything I could change here today, I don't think there is anything because everything seems perfect and lovely, and I'm enjoying the fun.
One good thing I would like to add or to change, if I'm given opportunity to, is for Edo State government also to initiate a good tech hub. It's not just all about culture. We have to showcase our culture in the trending ways, technologically and other means, so that the world can see what we do here in Edo State. Congratulations to all the Edo people for this event.
What's your favorite thing you've seen so far?
Yes, it's the face of the carnival, the Edo Carnival. That marks that was used, that they use in doing the publicity. So the feeling, the view of it, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love that. And seeing all the setup here, Edo State is doing well.
Do you think young people still value culture in today's world?
Well, young people, I'm a young man and I value it. So I believe young people value it so well. And it's what should be preached. It's what should be emphasized for them to value it the most so they can take it to the next level.
If you could change one thing about events like this, what would it be?
If I could, I can't really tell. But for me, I think having it often. As I said earlier, this is the first of its kind that I'm witnessing. All right, in this kind of environment. So doing it often is one thing that I will encourage.
If in one word describe today's carnival.
Awesome.
How can culture bring people together in a time like this?
I didn't get that right.
How can culture bring people together in a time like this?
Well, culture in its own, it's a kind of identification, all right? Like when you see your tribe, presenting their presentation to it, so you see the clusters of such clowns, being together. So discussing with their dialect also, so it brings ones together. It brings people of same culture together. All right.
Complete this statement. Culture is important because
it is the root of every being. All right. That is for me. That's for me. All right.
What's my favorite thing since so far? The costume. God, they are so beautiful. You are getting to see different colors, different creativity. It's so amazing. Then what I think people should value? They should value culture because this is all about bringing different tribes together and in one love, one unity. You get to meet new friends from different tribes. If I could change one thing around here for Edo Carnival, nothing to change, because this is everything. Okay, a quick one. What would I describe today's carnival? See, in fact, this is the day one. I'm already enjoying myself, and we have like 5 or 6 days to go. You can imagine what will happen. How can culture bring people together? This culture brings people together to love themselves in one love, in one unity, in one harmony. This should be repeated every year, and that's all I can say. Thank you. See you in my next comment. Bye. Love you. Mwah. What does the carnival mean to you?
It means so much because this we celebrating Edo culture, bringing back the beauty of Edo nation, bringing back the people together. It's actually a great time to be in such a time.
Okay, thank you so much. So do you think events like this help preserve our culture as Edo people?
Definitely. It shows us who we are. It brings back our history, what
the Benin people really believe in. And I want to say a very big thank you to our governor for making this possible. It's actually an exciting period, an exciting time to be in.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing you've seen so far?
The exciting culture, the beautiful people, different dance, different event going on. It's actually massive, and I'm enjoying myself.
Okay, so do you think young people still value culture in today's world?
Sir?
Young people, do you think they still value culture in today's world?
Yes. You see, the young people are slightly forgetting what culture means. And I think event like this will remind us the culture of our fathers, and it will bring us closer to understanding what culture means.
Okay, so if you could change one thing about today's event, what would it be?
Come again?
If you could change one thing about the event today, what would it be?
And there's nothing to change because it's actually perfect, and I'm enjoying myself.
Okay, so in one word, describe today's carnival.
Oh my God, it is extraordinary. It is
Okay.
the generation coming together again.
Okay, so how can culture bring people together in a time like this?
It shows us our differences. It shows us our similarity. It shows us our peculiarity. So it's actually something good.
Okay, so complete this statement. Culture is important because
it brings us back to our roots, our nature, where we come from.
Okay, thank you so much, and that was all from us. Thank you.
very much.
I mean, it's exposure for me. I've not seen something like this before. I just get to see new people and see Benin culture in a different style.
Yeah, it's more of exploring for me, actually.
Yeah.
Do you think events like this help preserve our culture?
Yes, actually, yes.
Yeah, I do. Okay.
So what's your favorite thing you've seen so far?
I think it's the sip and pain juice.
Actually,
Yes, that is so nice.
like,
Yes.
Okay, so do you think young people should really value culture in today's world?
Yes, I think they should.
yes.
Like,
If you change one thing about today's event, what would it be?
I would just say, like, I feel that they should have started on time so we could get like more time to explore and more time to have fun. Because they're really late.
Actually, because Africans don't stick with their time.
Don't stick with time at all.
Second, you speak as a punctuality prefect.
Yeah.
Okay, so in one word, describe today's carnival.
Okay, I would say amazing.
I would say exploration for me. Exploration.
Do you think culture like this can bring people together?
I mean, look at the crowd over there. Like, everybody's basically having fun. You meet new people, talk to new people. So I think everybody gets to meet each other. So
Yeah.
So what about you?
Say it naturally.
With this statement, culture is important
because it brings people together.
It's a way of life.
Okay, thank you so much. I was very happy here.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you very
All right, thank you very much.
Shout out to Talk Your Mind Television. You guys are doing a great job. Please keep it up and God bless you.